Hello, my dear students. My name is Danova Eleonora Andreevna, and I'm the teacher of Foreign Languages Department at Karaganda Technical University, named after Abulkas Sakinov. In this video, we will revise the usage of past continuous tense. But before we start doing some exercises, let us revise one more time. How do we make it? What for do we need it? And when do we use it? We use the past continuous to describe an action in progress at a specific moment in the past. For example, the audience was applauding until he fell off the stage. In this sentence, we may see one action that was in progress, and it is was applauding. And the formula of the past continuous tense is subject plus was verb plus verb with an ing ending. We have to memorize that we usually use was with pronouns I, he, she, it, and we use were with pronouns we, you, they. Let us consider some examples. At 6 o'clock, Rebecca was eating dinner. Or one more example. As the teacher spoke, the children were laughing at my cleverness. The formula of the negative sentence in the past continuous tense is subject plus wasn't or weren't plus verb with an ing ending. Let us consider two examples. The sun wasn't shining every day that summer, or they weren't tidying their rooms at 8 o'clock yesterday. So out of these sentences, we may conclude that we use wasn't with pronouns I, he, she, it, and we use weren't with we, you, they. The formula of the question in the past continuous tense is was or were plus subject plus verb with an ing ending. Let us consider some examples. Okay, was the sun shining every day that summer? Or were they tied in their rooms at 8 o'clock yesterday? And out of these two questions, we may conclude that we use was with I, he, she, it, and were with we, you, they. But sometimes we may not see the definite pronoun in a sentence. We usually see the subject. So when we say a subject but not the pronoun in a sentence, we have to correspond it to a certain pronoun. In the first sentence, the subject is the sun. We may correspond it to pronoun it, and we usually use was with it, thus we used it in the first sentence. Okay, you have to follow this rule while choosing was or were. And don't forget the spelling rules of verb with an ing ending. So, if our verb finishes in e, then we have to put it away before we add ing, as in the example, write, writing. You see there is no e in writing. Or, if our verb finishes in consonant, vowel, consonant, then we have to double the last consonant and only after that add ing, as in the example, stop, stopping. You see there is double P in stopping. But if our verb is quite regular, then we just add ing, as in cooking. And right now, it's time to practice. So you have to complete the sentences with the verbs in brackets in the past continuous tense, as in the example, you were laughing when I took the photo. Okay, please be ready with your pen or pencils and copybooks in order to write the following sentences down. And your task is to use your time and complete these caps carefully. Let's start. You have 10 seconds to rewrite the correct past continuous tense sentence. Let's start. Okay, it's time to check. It was snowing when our plane landed. Good job. One more sentence for you to complete. You have 10 seconds to do it. Okay, time to check. We weren't driving fast when the accident happened. One more sentence for you. This time it's a question. Be attentive. Okay, time to check. What was he doing when his boss arrived? And one more sentence for you to complete. Okay, time to check. Why were you crying at the party? Okay, one more sentence for you guys, and 10 seconds to do it. Okay, time to check. I was sitting on the bus when I saw my boyfriend with another girl. One more sentence for you guys, and 5 seconds to do it. Okay, it's time to check. They were living in New Zealand when their first child was born. One more sentence for you. Okay, and right now it's time to check. He didn't call you because his mobile phone wasn't working. Okay, you did a great job, dear students. I would like to say you that I'm looking forward to see you in the final video, and right now it's time to do some exercises.